Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how you can change the voice face on your Amazfit T-Rex 2 smartwatch. As you can see on the table now, I have the application that already connect to the smartwatch, and you can see all the face of the watch available on this app. And to do that, first of all, you need to connect this T-Rex to Amazfit to your smartphone, Android or iOS. It's up to your phone, and download this Zepp application on your app store. And you can see here, ZEPP. And after download it and connect it to your T-Rex 2, and now we will go on together. And if you want to know how to download and connect your T-Rex 2 to this application, please check out the link in the description and also in the top right hand of the video. Okay, so now let's begin. Okay, and please take note that the watch and the smartphones now already connect. And now open the Zepp application, and it will sync your data. And after that, go to profile and select your device, Amazfit T-Rex 2, and then you will see the voice face here. And now I will show you every voice face for this smartwatch. You can see on the top here the latest voice face. You can apply anything on it. For example, I want to apply this colorful one, and then we press sync. Download, and now syncing. Okay, now 90%. Enable it. Enabling. Okay, now you can see the new watch face is now completely changed the face watch. Okay, here we have the category. This one is animate, so all the animation here, and custom background, outdoor, sense of technology, simplicity, dashboard, multiple data, classic, freestyle, realism, official built-in, workout and heal, art and creativity. Okay, so in each category you can choose to show more. And for example, I want to see more about this animate. We'll see more about this animate. Okay, custom background, outdoor. Okay, I keep the watch here first. Sense of technology. Okay, you We see many styles. Simplicity. Okay. Dashboard. Okay. Multiple data. Classic. Freestyle. Realism. Official built-in. Okay. Workout and heal. Art and creativity. The world in my hand. Okay, no more item. Okay, and you can also change the watch face without using the app. So first of all, just scroll down like this and then scroll to the left and you will see the setting manual here. Select on it. After that you will see the face and time, watch face and time. Okay, select on it. And now you can just select watch face and here you can select the built-in watch face inside your watch. Okay, and this one is we already downloaded and now you can choose another one, and this one is the first time we got the watch, and now I want to use this one and just press on it and it will select. Okay, that is all for today's video of how you can change the watch face on your Amazfit T-Rex 2 smartwatch. And now thanks for your time watching this video and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.